Hi friends, my name is Manik. I am doing final year project at Tech Multitech Engineering College at Avadi. My project is titled as Secured Polling System with Biometric. So before I start, I would like to thank my internal guide Mr. Thomas Robinson, Assistant Professor of MCA, and my external guide Mr. A. Karthik is a project manager MCA. I am doing the project at my company. It's named as Living Edge Softech India Private Limited and it's located as Avadi, Chennai. I'm doing the project front end as a HTML, Java and using a JavaScript for validations and CSS for a design outlook and as a MySQL for the database connectivity. So this is my abstract. So this is a web page application basically, and the voters can cast their vote to the person to whom they want to cast, and normally they do with the paperwork and all it involves, but the technology which I am using is biometric, so where it deals with the accurate voting and it states increasing the voting strategies, and it gives the efficiency have been suggested for the election process, which is eliminates the frauds and avoid illegal voting, and it reduces time consuming. How it avoids the illegal voting? So without the thumb impression the person will not able to vote. So we'll see in detail about it. So this is the existing system. Actually the existing voting system, it takes more time involves and it involves the more paperwork and all, and evidence is there, and there is no evidence for the right person is casting his vote, and it involves the quite illegal. It's familiar with our society, the right person is not casting his right vote and there may be many frauds it involves, and the voting strategy also it states very low because of the literate people. They're not taking the interest because they're not having the idea about it. We are voting the right person, we are selecting the right person and all. So that's the reason the more rich peoples and educated, they are not showing interest to cast their vote. And the proposed system is our system, we are using a biometric technology. In simple short, it reduces the ballot paperwork, and it involves the machines that operates easily and being standalone machines without any network connectivity and all, and which involves the person can go and use their thumb and vote. So these are the models I used. The basic main models are electoral panels and admin panels, and the electoral panels, the voter registration module where the new elector can register themselves by using the personal informations and thumb details, and this is the authentication process where they enter. So we'll see about each and everything by showing the screenshot. Will be explaining you very clear. And this admin panel, which involves the admin access registrations and update the symbols, the casting symbols, and look up the result. So we'll see everything in a very short screenshot, so we'll explain and get a clear idea about it. So these are the architecture. This is the biometric where they put their thumbs, and this is the local system, and it verifies the database and the electoral profiles through the server which is in the database. And these are data flow diagrams, how the electors, their information is flowing from the modules and it's fetched from the DB and it's returns the result as well. And this is a use case diagram which states the flow of the system. This is a sequence, how the sequentially the system is working. This is a class. So what are the class I have been used in this project, and we'll explain you the clear manner. So this is the first screen window where you can see this is the home page. So if you click on this e-vote, this page will appear. So if you click on the register vote, this page will appear where the new electors register themselves by providing all this information and submitting, and then OK. This is second page where they can vote, they are entering their voter ID and thumb and click OK, it will take to the next page. So by fetching the information from the DB, it shows the candidate profile, and if you click that ready to vote, so it will take you to the next page and shows the candidate list. So this was the admin access, candidate list, and finally you can select by symbols and it will take your vote. So this is the candidate admin lookup to view the report. So first admin need to register themselves to see the system report details, and this is the report view, and these are the future enhancements. So how efficiently we need to improve, or we can provide a various improvements in the current project. So these are the provide a secure way of voting and avoid the unacceptable percentage loss or stolen of the data, and provide the machine against the votes lost through the unclear and ballots, and provide a voter to cast their voting using the mobile phones without any additional registration. Proxy vote or double voting is not possible. So this way I conveying my system and my project. Thank you for your patience. For more queries, you can just subscribe this link and put your comments. We'll acknowledge you. Thank you.